mate of mine's toy house. Picked up a 426 coronet RT. It's got heaps and heaps of parts. Let's go look at missing cars. It's a genuine RT. It has a J in the bin. So they only made 288 of them. Just here, the J there in the bin, and it designates that this is not a 440 RT, which they made 10,000 of, still very good. But this is one of 208 RT, so it has 150 mph speedo, and probably quite rare, the bucket seats. Just inside the hood, it's got the hemi mounts and that sort of thing down there, which don't fit in. So they're very rare. I'll just put this down. And so yeah, a very rare car. And, it's even got this Jesus, every day is nice. Well, I can tell you one thing, every day with the Hemi coronet is going to be real nice.